Good morning, guys. So we've just got here. We're in Huddersfield today. Everyone's just coming over, getting set up. Literally just got here, and that's on the floor. Guys, shift your crap. Anyway, we'll take that. We'll make sure it's all sorted, and yeah, give it 5 or 10 minutes, and we're gonna get going. So we'll see you at the end.
What the hell?
You got a little pin.
What was it, Craig?
I ain't got that bit yet. Like that. I don't think it's magnetic. I don't know.
It's that sweet stand.
There we go. We've got a table and it's whee.
It's not magnetic, Jensen.
Oh,
It's not. They tested it.
it's still going.
Jensen. Jensen.
And of course, a scaffolding clamp. Oh, and a key. There we go.
Maybe saves you buying a new one.
And we got a vape. Unicorn shake. Not a clue what that is. A flavour. And a bit of metal.
So now what we know as is Puskin.
Well, that's a bit different. So it's got that on one side. And these little stars. These are made of wood. And it's got a little handle on back. I don't know if it's off some kind of clock. I think it is. Or maybe some. Oh, I think it's a music box. You can just see there. It's got them little fingers, and then it's got the little bits on here. That goes round and it plays a song. I don't know. Maybe it's river dance or something. I know where I can now. Absolutely not. Yeah, it doesn't seem to work. Oh well. You got a tiny fish in there. It's very small. Wibble, wibble, wibble. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's an alarm. I believe. There's free alarm on it. Interesting. No reason for that to be in here.
There you go, guys.
And we got a security tag.
Is that look any better, Craig?
Have a look on camera. It's only a little smudge.
Yeah, I can't even. Where is he? Sean did that. Wasn't looking and Sean did it. No, Sean.
Oh, we got a spanner. And it is a 11/16. So it's not even a proper spanner.
Imperial.
Yeah, but we don't use them anymore.
They're good step spanners, eh?
I tell you what though, still not an Allen key.
No, look at it.
And we got an old push bike with the lock still on it, so that didn't do much help. Well, whatever it was, it broke in half. But it was like that, kind of bolted together. I'm going to assume it's something off the scaffolding because that's what the majority of it is. Yes, then. Well, this is a bit different. It's a shock absorber off of something. It's not off a push bike, so maybe off like an RC car or something.
It is.
Tighter. So there we go. We've got 4 spanners. One is like a little C spanner for suspension. And then a broken spanner. And then I think that's like a car hole cutter or something. Yeah. But still, tighter.
I thought I saw a mini spanner on
The what? There's and we got a key. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4. 5. 6. I'm gonna break my magnet. 7. 7 spanners.
So you've had 11 so far.
I've had more than that. All 3.
Four.
Just a few more.
3.5.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Ah, yeah, but tools are useful. And another 2.
Now we're missing this back.
I haven't got anything else.
There's 1. And a 2. Yeah? Something just twinged in my hand. Yeah, that wasn't very nice.
So there's more than a.
So there we go. We got an hammer now as well. That really wasn't very nice.
Now we need to get more hammers to even
Right.
out these spots.
1. Get off. 2. 3. And the 4. Now we're getting different spanners. So we've got 2 irregular ones. 1 which didn't really spanner on the other end. And that one with a weird square on it. A bit weak after on that.
Oh, there's no spanners now.
Well, there we go, we got a blue pole.
What time is it? Hey Siri, what time is it?
Nope.
Oh, don't answer me.
Have a look in the watch. Look on bike. Press the side button.
No,
Oh, just look on bike.
10:53.
Shut up.
I've got loads of staff on.
Down there. Down there.
Yeah, down there.
I mean down there. Down there.
Down there.
So I worked out we've got 23 spanners and a hammer. I've got somebody's wire that they didn't want. I'm going to keep that out of the way because that'll punch the tyre. And then these some more just down here. What do we have here? We have a frame. There we are. And it's part of a little trolley. There we go. Part of a trolley. that's interesting. So we've got a pair of bolt cutters with fairly good blades on. You can just see on there. There you go, they're not snapped or anything. Tidy.
Hedge cutters.
Bolt cutters.
Why do they look
Steve!
like
Snip, snip. Yeah? It won't get through anything I've got. Then we got a big scaffy bar.
Eh!
Oh, oh, oh. And now we've got the crowbar. Steve! Steve's got the same dog.
Go get a shell.
And I've got a set of forks.
I don't know what that is.
Got what?
It's all your free one. Hey,
We got a plastic chair.
sit on it,
No, absolutely not.
So, that's not free legs.
You silly sausage. No. So we got a piece of steel, racking or something. And we got a wibbly, wibble wibble. There we go. Oh. Well, I've got a doorknob. And then I've got a bit of a cast iron grate. See it here as well. Oh, good. And then we've got a piece of wood with a nail in it. We've got the other side to the doorknob. And that's not working anymore. And a bit of metal bracket. So we got a bike seat, but no bike. And a drive shaft. CV joint with no drive. You knew that was coming, didn't you? Yeah, I've got oil coming up here, which is weird. Thank you, Vincent. And we got another little bit of jewellery. There you go. Tidy.
Do you want to throw a bit of breath?
And we got a small
bit
paint
closer
roller.
to them so they can come to you?
And another eau de canal flavour.
Garbage wild geese, but I always feed them every year this time.
Well, we went to go and poach yes because it'd be funny, and we found a butter dish. Tidy. Well, we've got a few different bits now, but mainly just bits of brackets. Right, so we've moved down, and we're just gonna keep going. So we've had a metal bar and a couple of pennies. And we got a fence pin, and now I know the joke. Claire, it's a fence pin. I think we got a piece of conduit. Electrical bit goes in either side, connects together there, and then yeah. There we go, so I've got part of a derailleur off a push bike.
You know, Craig,
What's that?
how many is there in all?
10.
10.
10.
10 shopping trolleys so far.
We've got an hammer.
Down there.
Yeah, trolley time. Oh, and as well as trolley time, the 2 wheels. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at.
Got a mop. Ugh.
But supermarkets round here, they're not nothing.
Raider.
Nope.
But yeah,
We got a push bike.
Yeah, please subscribe to Sean's Adventures with Little Soap.
There you go. Part of racking when it's not leaking all over my foot. Hey. Right, so we went round corner under the bridge. Couldn't take bike down there, so
Oh my god.
yeah.
Finally ended up with there.
So yeah, we headed down there. We got a bell, ding ding. We got a drill head, you can just see there, head of a drill. We got a Stanley knife, which I don't think is going to work anymore. But best find, a Lenovo laptop.
That could be what the hard drives are for.
So yeah, somebody lost a decent laptop. Well guys, we are all done for the day. All the scrap is piled up. We're a little bit broken. There were a couple of bits that weren't on video, so you'll have to check Rogers out for that to understand why our backs are breaking. So go check his video out and it will explain all. But had some really good finds today. Stuff we weren't expecting. The crowbar we are going to keep. Really good for helping getting magnets off when you're stuck on side. Bolt cutters, you can't keep them. And then the tools, they're all going to come home with me. See what we can do with them and we'll make some at work. But yeah, that's going to be it for this week. As always, up here, follow what it says, give us a like, give us a subscribe as well, it don't cost anything. And yeah, that's going to be it for this week. As always, head over to Online Magnets if you want to get your own magnet goodies. So they do magnets, grapple hooks, rope, gloves, the lot. Use discount code MMM10, 10% off. And yeah, that's going to be it. We'll see you next week. Bye!